everyone, today we are opening up Stitch Fix and I'm doing a little try on. So we're doing this a little different today, so let me know your thoughts. Let's get unboxing, but first, Stitch Fix has a $20 styling fee and that can be used as credit for any items you choose to purchase. You get 5 items in each fix. I do have a referral link I'll leave down below to get $25 off your first fix. So you don't have to get it every month. You can choose every 2 to 3 weeks, up to every 3 months, or just do it on demand. And they have sizes up to 3X. They also have it for kids as well. So it comes cutely packaged. There's a return bag, so anything you don't keep, there's free shipping and returns. And then in this envelope, there is a letter from, or a little note, I should say, from your stylist, and also an invoice that talks about all the pricing. So you get 5 items, and if you choose to keep all 5, you get to save 25%. So here's a little spoiler. You can see what I got in my fix number 54. Isn't that crazy? And they give some styling tips. Our stylist does, so that's nice. And then here is the invoice with the pricing of all the items. So you get to fill out a profile when you sign up and let them know what your preferences are, not only for style, but pricing as well. So the first item in here, I love how they package it. I like to look at like them all folded up in all the colors. So you can see the first few on there. And then there are some shoes on the bottom as well. So I'm going to insert some clips of me trying the items on as we go. And first we're going to start off with this colorful, cute dress. I love floral print. This is very girly. I don't wear dresses as much as I used to, but I do think this is cute. By the way, you guys have to let me know. Leave a comment down below what you think I should keep or that I shouldn't keep. For this, I really do love the color. You'll see in a moment though, things with buttons all the way down, especially or specifically around the bust, sometimes don't work well for me because I am a little busty. So the brand, let's see, it is Daisy in Delmar, and it's a size medium. Daisy and Delilah. I'm sorry, I could not read that. So I think it fits pretty well, but can you see the buttons right there? It is a little like parted. You can't see my boobs or anything, but that is an issue I deal with sometimes. Can anyone relate? But it is cute, summery. I do like it. And then the next few items I'm gonna unbox and then try them on all together. And this clip came out weird. You guys, I've been having like Mercury retrograde, like after the fact stuff happened to me. So thank you for bearing with me. Stay to the end. I promised you guys something and it's coming. But okay, so we got 2 tops, 2 tank tops, and a yellow jean skirt, a denim skirt. And at first I was like, I don't know if I would wear this. But the Free People crop top that came in this, the black one, you'll see more in a moment. Again, apologies. I already have that in orange, but this is the Hawthorne brown tank with the skirt. You guys, I freaking love this look. I feel like I'm like 90s, and I don't know, something about it I just really love. I have the Free People top underneath it. Here it is now. I filmed in 4K on my phone, and it doesn't convert to my computer. I thought I was being all, you know, tech savvy and stuff, but no. But isn't this so cute, or is it just me? Please leave your honest opinion down below. And spoiler, those are the shoes. You guys, I love this. Like, I still want to hear your opinion, but I already took the tags off the black Free People top. So the shoes are by DV Dolce, I don't know, I just call them Dolce Vita or DV, I think is the brand. But okay, these are cute. They're not focusing really well. I did put a clip of me with these on. I feel weird putting like feet pics and clips on the internet. I actually had my toenails painted today, so I was like, I might as well show them. But I love these. They fit perfect and they're comfy, and I can actually walk in them, and they're yellow and they go with the skirt. I feel like the 4 items especially just were all work so well together, and I'm obsessed. And I will pull out the sheet. Oh, here, my little feet clip. Sorry, you can see like the cords and everything, but I love these. Oh my God, they're so comfy too. They're like kind of padded. Can you see they're like a little cushiony? I think they're just the cutest ever. I have to keep them. So I loved 4 out of 5 of the items, and it will be cheaper to keep all of them, you see. So the pricings range from $30 to $68 each. And that dress is $54. And if I keep all, I save $61.50 for a total of $185. Oops. So I think I'm going to keep them all, but let me know. Now, for those who stuck around and who I promised in last video, there is a giveaway. So to leave a comment down below. I was going to tell you to leave the emoji, a popsicle emoji, but apparently those don't exist. So just use the word popsicle and leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on my fix. I know this was a quick video, but believe it or not, it took me forever to make because of my tech issues. So yeah, I might have to get some new editing software or something, but trying new things. Thank you for bearing with me when I've been busy and taking classes and learning everything. I really want to give back to you guys. I love you so much. I hope you have a great weekend. Again, Stitch Fix will be linked down below, and I will see you super soon. Bye.